In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so your text pops with a smooth, professional gradient every time. Start by opening Affinity Photo and the document you want to work on. Make sure you can see your Layers panel on the right, since we'll be working directly on a text layer. On the left toolbar, choose the Text tool. If you're creating a headline, the Artistic Text tool is perfect. Click once on your canvas and type your text. If you need a paragraph block, click and drag to create a text frame before typing. With your text highlighted, pick a font, size, and weight that suits your design. Use the Move tool to position and scale the text so it sits exactly where you want it. With the text layer selected in the Layers panel, look to the right side for Quick FX, which is Affinity Photo's effects panel. Click it to reveal the available live effects for the selected layer. Turn on Gradient Overlay by checking it. This applies a non-destructive gradient to your text, so you can change it anytime without damaging the original type. Inside the gradient overlay settings, choose your gradient type, like linear or radial, and click on the color stops to set your colors. Drag the stops to control where each color starts and blends. Adjust the angle to guide the direction of the gradient, and use scale or position controls to fine-tune its spread across the letters. For extra depth, consider slightly offsetting the gradient so it follows the flow of your composition. Finally, adjust the opacity to set how strong or subtle the gradient appears. Lower opacity can help the gradient blend with background textures or images, while higher opacity gives bold, saturated color. Keep the text layer selected as you preview changes, and tweak until it looks balanced and readable. When you're happy, you're done clean. Editable gradient text in Affinity Photo.